I will share a step-by-step guide on how to prevent people from installing extensions in Chrome. Let's check it out. Step 1. First of all, download the Chrome Policy Templates zip file on your computer. Once done, use WinZip or WinRAR to unzip the file on your computer. Step 2. Now press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Next, type in gpedit.msc and hit the Enter button. Step 3. This would take you to the local group policy editor. Now on the left pane, navigate to the Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates. Step 4. Now click on the Action menu and select the option, Add, Remove Templates. Step 5. On the Add, Remove Templates window, click on the Add button. Step 6. Now navigate to the folder where you have extracted the Chrome policy templates. Now navigate to the policy_templates greater than Windows greater than ADM. Next, double-click on the NUS language folder. Next, select the chrome.atom file. Step 7. Once selected, click on the Close button. Step 8. Now on the local group policy editor, navigate to the Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Classic Administrative Templates, ADM, greater than Google Chrome extensions. Step 9. Once done, on the right pane, double-click on the Configure Extension Installation block list. Step 10. Next, select the option Enabled and click on the Show button as shown below. Step 11. On the Show Contents window, type an asterisk in the value box and click on the OK button.
Step 12. Next, double-click on the Blocks External Extensions from Being Installed setting. Select Enabled and click on the OK button.
That's it. You are done. Now no one can install extensions on the Chrome web browser.